Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So nothing really happening. We do have inside bar, pin bar, but the pin bar's in the middle of nowhere. We've got a grouping of the oscillators to the downside, and it is starting to look like a potential flag. I've left the levels in from yesterday. I'm not going to draw the top levels, but you can see that is definitely looking like a flag in a bull trend. So the big question is, where do we buy? Now, the structure pretty much stays the same as what it has been all week, and that is we need a break of these higher levels before we start committing to any longs. So at the moment, all the moving averages together on the 3-hour, look at my oscillators. And this is a classic setup. You've got diversions here, bullish diversions on the 3-hour. If you look at this on the Bollinger Band, you're going to have a Bollinger W forming. So in other words, this will be out the Bollinger Band, this will be in the Bollinger Band, and you can see the double bottom forming. The neckline is all the way up here at 110,770. So we'd need to clear that, retest that before any of those strategies start coming into play. But this is a clear set of diversions here, and it's almost double diversions on both oscillators, which is fairly strong. So I'd be reluctant to continue chasing short, but at the same time, I'm been burnt so many times, I do know that you need to be cautious. So this upper level here at 110,770 is still the line in the sand. We need to get above it, we need to come and test it, and only that will trigger a move to the upside. Definitely not looking to chase shorts at the moment. Don't trust what we're seeing, and also we've broken through a fairly strong level of 110. So if we break below 110 and retest it, then that's a different story. But for me at the moment, this is extremely volatile. I mean, we're talking 300-point volatility. And look at these big, look at this massive gap here. Gap up, big engulfing bar. I mean, you can't trade this kind of shit. Excuse my language, but you can't trade it. It's just impossible. Anyway, I'm staying out of this until we break above 110,770 area. We break through there, then I'd be looking at it. But this thing, when it's gapping like this, is just algorithms trying to force the price in a direction so that they can make their money. There's no real rhyme or reason why it's doing what it's doing right now. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment, leaving this well alone until we start breaking to the upside properly and forming decent structure. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.